Good morning, my dear students. My name is Pallav Vishwas, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Kolani, Department of Mechanical Engineering. And basically, previous classes already discussed to this statistical quality control tools. And today is my lecture number 16, and also discussed to this statistical process control and the process capabilities on the subject is the quality and reliability engineering. And a few outlines also here. The statistical process control, that means the SPC, and the stable process, and the excessive variations also will be here, and the process stability matrix, the statistical process capability also will be here. During to this the outlines also is concentrated according to this. And during to this the statistical process control, that like the what is the statistical process controls will be concentrated. According to the statistical process controls is a methods of quality controls which employs the statistical method to monitors and the control process also will be here. This helps to ensure that the process operates efficiently, the producing more specifications, conforming products with the less waste. Reworks of the scopes also will be here. Basically this will be concentrated according to the statistical process control, just like the methods of quality controls which the employ statistical methods, that like the employees we have to concentrate according to this the which type of statistical methods to monitor to control a process, and always you have to consider according to this the monitor to this the control the process, that like the which will be concentrate according to this the products will be increased, and the good quality products also will be produced during to this the procedures, and first you have to require the statistical methods to monitor and the control a process. This helps to ensure that the process operates efficiently, and the another things this will be helps to ensure that the process operates efficiently. Another things you have to concentrate according to this the producing more specifications, and that like you have to always the use to this the more specifications, and the conforming products with the less waste, that like the always you have to concentrate according to this the product will be the least waste that your the waste products you have to produce during to this the your the process, that like you have to concentrate the your this will be fully lost, because the waste products will be not buy to this the markets, and also this will be concentrated according to this the scrap materials, but the scrap materials not will be helpful for this the company. For this will be concentrated according to the less waste also will be concentrated, and also the rework or the scrap also will be less. This is the concentrated according to this the specifications product with the this is the controls process also will be used. And another thing, the specific statistical process controls the conforming products with the least waste, and also this SPC can be applied to any process where the conforming products, and just like the product meeting specifications also will be required, that like the during to this the SPC process, and the control process also will be here, and the output can be measured also will be here during to this the statistical process controls also. The key tools used in the SPC include run charts also will be here. The key tools, that like the which type of the 7 statistical tools also will be here, that like the this run charts and the control charts also will be concentrated according to this the key tools during to this the specific control process controls, including the run charts, the control charts, and also a focus on continuous improvements, and this like the your focus will be given to this the continuous improvements and the design of experiment, and basically this will be given to the continuous improvements and the design of experiments also will be here during to this the this statistical process control will be considered according to this and examples of the process where the SPC is applied is manufacturing lines. This like this is the applied to the manufacturing lines also will be here, and sometimes you can consider according to the applications of SPC, the applications of SPC, that like the statistical process controls involving the three main phase of activities, and this SPC will be considered according to the three main phase of this activity. And the one this will be considered according to the understanding the process, and the specification limit also will be here. You have to consider according to the understanding the process and the specifications limit you have to given. The eliminating assignable, the eliminating assignable spatial, and this like consider according to the spatial source of variations, and just like the you have to given to the special source of variation, so that the process is stable, and you have to given during to this the process is stable, and just like the eliminate assignable special source of variations so that the process is stable. Like your process will consider according to this the stable, and just like you are the monitoring the ongoing production process, and also you have to monitor to this the ongoing production process. Either your product will be maybe defects, and also the waste materials comes from this or the production units, and during to this the monitoring the ongoing production process is assisted by the use of control charts, and that is like the assisted by the use of control charts to detect significant change, and also this will be to detect the significant changes of mean or variance and variations, and also the monitoring the ongoing production process, so this will be monitoring, and assisted by the use of control charts to detect the significant changes of mean or variations, and also the control charts also will be the data from measurements, and you have to consider according to this the control charts the data from measurements of variations, and always you have to record to this the data, that like this will be the measurements of the variations at points on the process map is the monitors using the control chart, that like the data from measurements of variations at the points on the process map is monitors using the control charts, and that like the using to this the control chart. The control charts attempt to differentiate assignable the control chart attempt to this the differentiate assignable spaces also will be here the source of variations, and that is like the you have to concentrate according to this the sources of variations from the common source, and that is like you have to consider according to this the common source, and during the common source become there an expected part of this the process, and basically this common source because they are an expected part of the process are of much less concern to this the manufacturer than assignable sources. Using the control chart is a continuous activity ongoing over time, and basically this will be considered according to this the control charts is a continuous activities. The ongoing over times also will be considered according to this the control charts. Just like the during to this the control charts you have to obtain to the different assignable specifications, and also this is the different type of the sample also will be comings, and also the data, and also the manufacturing then assignable process using the control chart is a continuous activity that like the ongoing over time, and stable process also will be here. The during to this stable process when the process stable process when the process does not trigger any of the control charts detections rules for the control chart is a it is a said to be stable. A process capability also will be here. The analysis may be performed on a stable process to predict the ability of the process to produce the conforming products also will be here. In the future the stable process can be demonstrated by a process signature that is free of variance outside of the capability index. The process signature is plotted point compared with the capabilities index also will be concentrated according to the stable process, that like the process capability analysis may be performed as the stable process to predict the ability of the process to produce the conforming product in this the futures also will be here, and for this you have to concentrate according to the with the capabilities index also measured during to the stable process. And the another thing will be excessive variations also will be here. What is the excessive variations, and with the when the process triggers any of the control chart, when the process triggers any of the control charts, the detection rules here the during to this the detection rules, the process triggers any of the control chart, this will be considered according to the detection rules, or alternatively the process capability is low, that like the detection rules, that like the or alternatively the process capability is low. Other activities may be performed to identify the sources, that like the activities may be performed to identify the source of the excessive variations, that like here the tools used in these extra activities, that like the different tool is used during to the extra activities, that like the Ishiga diagram, design experiments, and the Pareto charts also will be considered according to the excessive variations also will be here. The tools used in these extra activities like include the Ishiga diagram, the design experiments, and also the Pareto charts. Here, the consider according here. The design of experiments are a means of objective quantifying. That's like the design experiments are a mean of objectively the quantifying the relative importance and also the strength of source of the variations also will be considered. That basically the design experiments are a means of objective quantifying the relative importance, the strength of sources of variation. That's like the once the sources of special causes, like the sources of special causes variation are identified. That's like you have to identify the what is the source and what is the special causes. That's like the all things you have to record to this the identified. They can be minimized or the eliminated, and the another things will be required to this the minimized or eliminated also will be required. But that is all the you have to notes will be defect will be come during to this the production system, that you have to not concentrate according to this the design of experiments with the much more defects will become. For this the special cause will be considered. For you have to strength of this the source of the variations on the source of special causes variation are identified, and also you have to given to identification they can be minimized or eliminated, and also the you have to identify this the cause, the special cause, then you have to consider according to this the minimized or eliminated. Either your product your systems not will be go to this long way, but because you have to this is a loss will be found during to this the production process. And another thing, the steps to the eliminating a source of variations might include, and when you have to the eliminating some source the variation, this will be include something the development of standards, and basically you have to develop your the standards of quality of products, and also the staff training also will be required during to this your the required to this the staff training, and this trainings will be the improve your the product quality during to this the your the product procedures. And for this the staff trainings also will be required the error poor find, and also the profind also will be required to the error profind and changes to the process itself, and this will be changes to the process itself or its inputs also will be considered according to the development of standard staff trainings, error the profiling and proofings, and also the changes to the process itself or its inputs also will be considered according to the excessive variations here. And another things will be there, the process stability matrix also will be considered. The process stability matrix, when the monitoring many process with control charts, that's like the you have to monitoring many process with the control charts, it is the sometimes useful to calculate quantitative measures of the stability of the process. You have to record to this the process stability matrix, the monitoring the many process with the control charts, and this like the control charts will be applicable. It is sometimes the useful to calculate the quantitative measures of the stability. Sometimes we have to consider according to the quantitative measures of the stability of the process, and this matrix can then to be used to identify this matrix basically can be used to identify the priorities basis the process that are most in need of corrective action. That like these are most in needs of corrective actions also will be here. This matrix can also be viewed. This matrix that like can also be viewed as supplementing the traditional process also will be process capability matrix also will be here. Basically this matrix can then be used to identify the priorities, the process that are most in need of corrective actions also will be here. This matrix can also be viewed as supplementing the traditional process capability matrix will be there, and these several metrics have been proposed as described in Remarized and Ranger also will be there, and then they are on the stability ratio with the which compares the long term variability to the short term variability also will be here. This will be the 2, and ANOVA test which compare the within the subgroup variations, and that like the subgroup variations also will be here to the between subgroups variations, and the 3 and in stability ratio which compared the number of subgroups that have one or more violations also will be here of the Western electric rules to the total number of subgroups also will be considered according to this. This like the three groups will be subgroup considered according to the stability ratio which the compares the long term variability to the short term variability. The two and the test which the compare the within subgroups variations to the between subgroup variations, and the three and the instability ratio which compared to this the number of subgroups that have one or more violations of this the Western electric rules to the total number of subgroups also will be calculated. And this is the statistical process capability also will be here. The objective of the statistical process controls that this like the training species or the process capabilities curriculum is to provide the participants with the analytical tools and the method necessary to this is the one is the understand species fundamentals and the importance of the reducing variations also will be here. Just like the understand SPC fundamentals and the importance of the reducing variations also will be here. The implement control chartings, the implements control chartings in order to assess process stability also will be considered according to this. That is like the statistical process capability. This is the objective of this the statistical process capability also will be here. And the another things the inter parts the control charts signals and the implements the appropriate reactions plans will be here. The determine the appropriate sampling plans. Determine the appropriate sampling plans and the sample size also will be here. According to this the assess process capability training. Assess process capability training for the normal and non-normal data will be found during to this these things, and this is the apply the charting techniques for the short production rules also productions runs also will be here. Just like the applying charting methods where the multiple sources of variations may exist, and that is the multiple cavities and the filling heads also will be considered according to this. The apply SPC for the naturally trending data. Just like the it is due to tools where also will be found during to this applying of the SPC for the naturally trending data also will be found. And another things the determine the appropriate type of charts. Like the determine the appropriate type of charts for a given process. And this like the you have to consider the determine the appropriate types of charts for a given process will be here. The avoid common misapplications of SPC in practice. That's like the that you have to avoid the common misapplications of the SPC also will be practiced. That like the here, and the SPC process capability online course also will be considered according to this. That during to this the seminar contents that like you have to given to this the 3 days the variations fundamentals that like the you have to concentrate according to this the variations fundamental the different type of fundamentals given during to this the variations and the concept of variation. You have to discuss during to this the seminar contents during to this the concept of variations, the which type of variations you have to come, and also you have to produce to your the products, and also you have to process capability will be there during to this the different concept of variations will be discussed during to this the seminar content, and also the variations fundamentals will be included. The normal distributions and the control charts concept examples, and another thing this will be considered according to the normal distributions, and you have to given to the normal distributions, and like as the control charts the concept also will be you have to given during to this the what is the normal distribution. This is the what is the this type of defect will be considered, and which process you have to applicable during to this the process, and what this will be discussed to this the normal distribution. And another thing during to this the control charts concept also will be given, the which type of control charts will be considered according to this one. This is the control charts concept also will be considered according to this the online capability course also will be here. And another things will be considered according to the examples, and during to this the control charts and the examples also will be here. And the control limits versus the specification limits also will be there. You have to given to this the control limits, just like this is the specification limits also will be considered according to the control limits versus specification limits will be here. And the definitions of control stability, and that like you have to given to the definition of the control, that like what is the stability of this here, what this will be considered according to the definition of control stability, that like the definition of quality, that like what is the quality, and all things you have to record the stability of the stability definition of quality will be record the sources of variance process, and you have to record to the variations of process capability concept also will be discussed during to the seminar contents. Also the stability definition of the quality sources of variation process capability concept also will be included during to this process. And another things, the quality control versus process controls, you have to given the discuss what is the quality control versus the process control. The basic statistics also will be here during to the individuals, and what is the average, and also the central limit theorem also will be discussed during to the seminar content of the 3 days. And you have to consider according to the process capability online course also will be here. And another things will be considered according to the control charts, that like the control charts will be considered according to the constructing charts, variable data will be found during to the control charts, that like the constructing charts, variables data, and x bar by r, and the x bars bar by s, and the IMR charts also will be discussed during to the control charts. And interpreting charts also will be discussed according to this what is the interpreting charts. And the type I and the type 1 and type 2 errors also will be calculated during to this this control charts. This will be discussed according to this type 1 and type 2 errors will be the calculated. And the recomputing control limits also will be here. You have to consider according to this the recomputing control limits, the what will be the control limits, and also this will be required to the recomputing, that like the control limits will be the lower, medium, and also the variance. This will be considered according to this the recomputing control limits. And also the sampling procedures and frequency will be considered according to this, according to the what is the sampling procedures, that like which is the procedure for this the sampling, and also you have to calculate to this the frequency. That things also will be considered according to this the control charts. And another thing is the rational samples. You have to always during to this the sampling process, you have to always concentrate according to this the rational by this the samples, that like you have to concentrate what is the according to this the 100 samples which type of defects will become. And for this always you have to created the samples during to this the rational. And the chart sensitivity also will be considered according to this the chart sensitivity, and also the sample size. These things also will be given to this the equal effort, and determining the appropriate sample size. And also you have to given to this the determine to this the appropriate sample size. And also the control chart selections procedures also will be very much more essential during to this the control charts. This will be required to this the control chart selections. And another things will be here during to this the process capability, the stability versus capability. Stability versus capability, this will be concentrated according to this the process capability, the types of capabilities assessments, and this will be required to this the types of capability assessments. And the estimating PPM or the proportion defective also will be calculated. The standard normal J values also will be considered according to this the standard normals J value. And the capability indices, and the capability indices also will be considered CP, CPK, CP, and the PK also will be considered according to this the capability indices. And just like you have to consider according to this the stability versus capability, the types of capability assessment, estimating PPM by product proportion defects and defectives, and also the standard normal Z values, and the capability indices like the CP, CPK, PP, and the PPK also will be calculated during to this the capability indices. And the interpreting indices, that like, and the process capability for non-normal data also will be analysis. And another things will be here that like the specialized chart. Specialized charts also will be considered according to this the short run charts. Also you have to given to this the run chart during to this the short period. That like the short run charts charts also will be considered according to this the specialized charts will be there. That like the short run charts and the within between charts multiple locations and these charts we have to consider according to this the between the charts that like the multiple locations also will be considered according to this the within or the between chart that like the multiple location that like the multiple locations also will be considered according to this the chart that like the CUSUM charts also will be here during to this the CUSUM charts. The trading charts also will be considered according to this the charts for attribute data and during to this the chart for this the attribute data also will be considered. The why online SPC training course imparted why online SPC training courses important will be there. Statistical process controls training courses is a method that enables manufacturers to prevent problems and to control their production process also will be here. Just like that you have to prevent problems and to control their production process. Unfortunately, it is often applied incorrectly and the potential benefits are not realized also will be here during to this the SPC training course is important and when the applied properly the SPC identifies changes to a process. This can be changed that are still within the specifications but are statistically different than where the process was previously running. This will be the consider according to this can be changes that are still within the specifications but are statistically different than where the process was previously running. By identifying the changes and by identifying the changes personnel can identify what causes the change and potentially improve the process of prevent the production of inferior products also will be there. That's like the statistical different than where the process was previously running. By identifying the changes personnel can identify what causes the change and potentially improve the process. And another thing the SPC charts can quickly detect it increase or decrease in variations and it's like the quickly detected the increase or the decrease in variations and variation is arguably the biggest problem manufacturers face also will be here. In variations the decreases personnel can identify the causes and sustain the improvements. If variations increase the personnel can identify the issues the long before parts are scrapped or customers complaints also will be here. This course teach the participants the fundamental concept and the methods need to establish effective control charts and the estimated process capability also will be here. In addition to learning traditional control charts like the X bar R by S, the participants will be exposed to other useful charts for handling multiple sources of variations within between and the short productions runs also will be considered. The practical aspects of the implementing SPC on the shop floor are also discussed. The typical attendance also will be here. The quality and process engineer, the quality or process engineers will be considered and this will be just like this course contents will be considered according to the specific shop floor are also discussed during to the typical attendance. This like the quality and the process engineers and quality and the technicians will be considered according to this and another things will be here the SPC supervisors like the SPC supervisors also will be required during to this and the production supervisor is also will be much more essential during to this the attendance also will be this the program and another to this the personnel involved in process developments and Validations also will be required. This like the this personnel involved in the process developments and the validations, and the laboratory personnel also will be required to this type of trainings. And another things will be required during to the manufacturing operations personnel, that like the which one is the operate during to the different type of machines, and that like the operators will be, and also the manufacturing units will be done this job. This is the essential for the attendant these seminars or the online courses. And another is the process improvement personnel also will be required to this the attendance on this course, that whose will be process improvement these persons, this will be required to this essentially attend for this the improvement on the different process will be the to concentrate to this that good products will be produced during to this your the company. For this the process improvement personnel also will be required to this they attend these sessions. And another is the suppliers quality personnel. This will be another person with the suppliers quality. The quality personnel also will be required to this the attend these seminars, and this will be suppliers personnel. This is the essential for the supply to this the good quality product to produce to this the what is the finished product for this the best quality finished products will be produced during to this the required for this the good quality supplies products also will be required for the suppliers quality person will be required to this the mass models, and the typical attendance also will be considered according to this. And another things will be the Six Sigma professionals, the which one will be the known about to this the Six Sigma according to your this the industry. Then this person always you will be required to this the attended this type of seminar for this Six Sigma professional or professionals. And also the which type of lean manufacturing also will be concentrated according to this the this process, and the all things will be discussed during to this seminar. And also this person will be required to this the attend these seminars. And next classes we can discuss the zero defects programs for this. Thank you.